So what going on YouTube? You know it's your boy Jason and I'm back with another unboxing video. Yes man guys. Alright, so welcome all the new viewers, all the existing viewers, welcome to my channel. This is the channel where you can find all these unboxing videos, adventures videos and more. Yeah man guys, so continue watching this video because you will see me unboxing my DJI Mini 3. If you love unboxing videos, yes, this is the video for you. Stick around. Alright, so let's go. Alright, yeah man, so I forget this is as get some pointed object. So guys, backstory, this package was a problem. I accidentally put a password on my delivery, a one-time code. I forgot. Guys, this package got delivered to the shipping address that I use for over almost 4 times, and because they didn't have this QR code to give to the company, to the delivery guy or delivery person, they could not deliver this package. But anyway guys, it finally reached. Yes guys. Oh, anyways, yeah man, so I got the Fly More DJI Mini 3 combo. Yeah man, I had to get this guys because this was way long overdue. Yeah man guys, so no itching. Make sure me peel off the paper, start unwrapping, unveiling this beautiful drone and packaging. Yes man guys, tell me how the packaging look. I love this. But anyway guys, how you all doing? How is your mental health? Hope you guys are doing all right. Have a blessed evening. Hope you guys are making sure that you drink some water. Yes, and eating some food, maybe KFC, maybe I don't know, some patty, cheese patty, cocoa bread, something. But anyway guys, yes, so this is the RC controller. Yes, this is the first thing that I am unboxing right now. Yes guys, so I wanted to peel it off properly, but you don't know my style. I had to go in raw. Yes, I had to go in full on. Yes guys, so playing with the joysticks, see no flexibilities. Guys, this packaging is despicable. It's so nice. Seeing this in person guys, it was so awesome. Yeah guys, so putting on all those two what's the controller arms or controller knobs. Yes, so guys, I actually bought this DJI Fly More combo on Amazon. Yeah man, so guys, I make sure that I got all the fittings. Guys, these are some knobs for the bottom part of this RC controller. Yeah man guys, not to screw in this part. Yes, I was just trying something, but those actually those knobs are actually for holding the controller around my neck, so when I'm flying the drone, if I make a misstep or something, it won't fall out my hand. But yeah man guys, so this is the part now, the other the other safety part of the DJI drone that I bought. So this is the part now that basically when you're in the sun, it gives a shadow so you can see the screen. Yes man guys, I make sure that I bought everything so that this drone won't go in vain. The things that I got, yes, I'm making sure, you know, like when you're buying maybe some shoes or maybe something, and you want to make sure that, all right, for like a Clark's, if you're Jamaican, or if you're overseas, maybe like a car, you make sure you put a wrap on it, a wrap on your car, to make sure that any scratches or any damages, that's the wrap actually get the scratch. So yes, I bought a screen protector for this. I did not know how to turn it on properly, but I tried something and I pressed and I pressed, and I finally got on this RC controller. Ta-da! So yeah man guys, trying to move around the control arms and stuff. Yeah man, feeling it. Yeah man, putting down some things over the side. Yeah man guys, sorry if you see like the earthquake or something like that. Yeah man, so putting in the Wi-Fi password, setting up this RC controller properly. Yeah man guys, so continue watching this video. You can actually see me flying this drone for the first time, and guys, I actually crashed. The drone for the first flight. I actually crashed the drone. So just continue watching this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Alright, so yes guys, this is the part now that I'm talking about, the knobs to screw in at the bottom, so I can actually if a clumsy person actually use this RC controller, they can actually put it around your neck as a safety feature, so it doesn't fall out of your hand. Yes guys, so as you can see, putting on all these knobs right here. Yes, all right, so actually figuring out how to open the shadow or the glare protector for the glass, like actually when you're in the sun. Yes, that is what prevent the glare from the sun. But anyway guys, trying to figure out how to turn on and turn off this. So actually you actually have to press the button one time, and then hold down on the button a second time, and then you see all the lights at the top light right up. Yes guys, so that's it. That's the protector strap. Yes, you can find all these on Amazon guys, you don't have to worry. Yes, they're on Amazon. All right, so that is the charging cable for maybe the RC controller. Yes, and some extra stickers and some extra tools and stuff. So yes, DJI, you can see that I'm a DJI fan. Yes, DJI stickers on my MacBooks and all those stuff. Yes guys, so actually I got the DJI Fly More combo. So this package, this Fly More combo actually come with 3 batteries, 2 in the sockets as you can see. Yes, and 1 actually already in the drone, so you can actually use this as a power bank. You can charge your phone and other devices on it. Yes, you can actually do that. All right, so guys, yes, fling with that, put that aside. All right guys, so this is the part that I'm so excited for, but I got to check the other compartments. I actually got some other fitments, some wings for the drone and stuff, extra wings or extra propeller. Yes, so looking if I see anything else. Nice bag, I like the design on the side. Yes, DJI always come right through. Alright guys, so this is the moment that me and y'all been waiting for. Oh yes, this is the DJI Mini 3 drone. Yes guys, this is the DJI Mini 3 drone. Alright, so figuring out how to open this, actually not knowing what to do, but yeah man, maybe just actually figure it out, you know, nothing to brainstorm, nothing too hard. Yes, so that is it. That is the battery inside. Point note to be taken guys, when you're flying or before flying, please charge the instruction on the back, said charge before flying, to activate the Fly More fly more minutes or something of that sort. Yes, so that is the gimbal protection for the camera. Yes guys, so taking off all the excessive stickers and things that they use to protect that part of the camera and the gimbal. Yes guys, so playing around with it. I don't know if I should be doing that, but yes, see it right there, charge to something another. Yes guys. All right, so yes, trying to turn it on. Well, this is the display for now, trying to get everything in the shot to make a thumbnail. Oh, I forgot this guys, this is the part that I love the most. Most drones don't have a landing, like, yes, of course you can get a landing mat or a circle where you can land on, but this is actually like some foot or some feet for the DJI Mini 3. So when you're landing, you actually don't land flat. If you're landing in a area where maybe some rocks or maybe some pointed stuff or something, this you can actually land like a helicopter. Yes guys, you can land like an helicopter. Yes, professionally. But anyway guys, yeah man, so all right guys, there we go, there we have it. Oh yes, and guys, I did, as I said, I take all the precautions of this drone. So yes, I bought some protecting for the propeller. But anyways, my first flight test. Yes, my first flight test. This is how it looks with all the protecting gears for the drone. But anyway guys, that's not it. Let me show you. I actually crashed this drone for the first time. Guys, I don't know what, but I put it in sports mode and it got hit. I run it straight in the house. But anyway guys, I hope you stick around and watch this beautiful shot that I got on this drone for the first time flying. It's a pretty easy drone to fly, but you still got to practice. Enjoy. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember to turn on that post notification bell to get notified anytime I drop and post all these awesome content. Guys, stick around. There will be more bangers and more exciting videos coming your way. Please remember to share the video guys, like the video guys, please like the video. That helps the algorithm of this video of YouTube. Please guys, enjoy. Please remember, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good.
Sneak back in. I can't get rid of her. I'm just a prisoner. It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.